If you're late on making decisions, you might be paying liquidated damages to your builder, and that might be a lot. Put simply, liquidated damages are an insurance in the event of a delay on either end. If your builder's late, they're going to pay you every week that they're late to hand over your house. A good example of this is if you're going to rent during the build, make sure that the contract covers you for any additional weeks of rent after the contract date. But keep in mind, if you're late on giving them decisions, make sure the builder isn't going to charge you an arm and a leg if you hold up the project. You don't want to be in that position.